Hello everyone, and I hope you guys are all doing great out there. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create a walk by transition in Vegas Pro 16. You could as well use this technique to create this awesome transition in other Vegas versions apart from Movie Studio. Please, if you are new in my channel, consider subscribing and hit on the bell so that you won't miss any of our online tutorial. Let's get into the video. This is basically the video I would like to apply the walk by transition. So I will be interested in these two ladies. Go to your event pan crop by clicking over here. So select mask and make sure you check the scene cursor so that you have a preview on what is happening in your event pan crop. For example, if I uncheck this, you will find out that there is nothing preview on my window menu. But if I check my scene cursor, you will notice that each time I play with my cursor in my event pan crop, it also shows me the exact position on my screen. Make sure you are at the very position where you want to start the masking. Now select the anchor creation tool. Zoom in. To see what is being hidden, you can press over this first normal editing tool to have this icon on your screen. Then you just press and hold down while dragging to the desired position. So with this tutorial, you need to be very patient to have good results, because you need to do the masking frame by frame in order to have better results. Go to the next keyframe by clicking over here, or you use Alt plus the right arrow key, just like that. Select your anchor creation tool and mask out this portion, because this one is going to be our background. You can zoom in, select like this, just like that. Now our entire screen is black simply because it is out of our selected portion. Now to correct that, you need to select your mask, go to the mode and select negative. If there are areas that you didn't mask out well, you can go to mode, go to out, and you set this value slightly approximately to 0.5 depending on how you did the masking. So if the masking is more accurate, you can use a smaller value, but if the masking wasn't done correctly, you can increase the value until you see the area slightly corrected. For example, so this area you can increase the value maybe to 0.5 like that. That's why you find the blurring going in. Go to the next keyframe, reset back this value by right clicking on it, go to reset mask and do the masking again. This. Yep. So in this second method, I instead mask out the area I want to show on my window. That's why my preview window is not dark as in the previous case. Now you don't need to change your mode to negative again, because you mask out instead the area you want. So if you change it to negative, it becomes dark. Meanwhile, in our previous, we instead mark out the area we didn't want to show on our window, and we use negative to unhide and break at the top our main area that we need. So now, since we instead use the positive mode, to add the feather type, you need to select in, because if you select out, it's going to instead affect the background image. or the non-mask out area. So you need to go to feather type, you select in, and you increase this value slightly so that these unmarked out areas disappear. So this is before and this is after. You move on to the next keyframe. Like that, I click and go to reset mask. Mask out again. For example, presently I will go back using the negative tool. Using the negative mode and connect back. So I'll go back to positive, to the negative mode and select negative. Now feather type, I will need to go to out, set this value until everything is corrected on my preview window. Make sure you take your time to do this masking because I'm doing this just for tutorial sake, so I can't really take my time to show you how to apply this. Move on to the next keyframe and apply the same thing. Now if I select the rectangle tool here, I can shift this one like to animate it, to meet it if it really matches. See that down here there is a gap, so I'll need to overcome this. Select your normal editing tool, double click over here to make it be like this, and now you can pull down these points down to uncover this unmasked area. You can zoom it, see that there is a gap here. Make this point come this way, just like that, to correct this portion. Over here too, you can correct this portion, you can bring it back like this, and allow the feather type 1.3 because the area I think here is accurate, or if not you can play around here. So I'll speed up this process to save time. Basically, this is what we will have after our masking. You see that there are so many keyframes. These are the keyframes. So you need to do this right to the end to have accuracy. So if I play it, you see how it goes. So the black areas are the invisible areas. So right now I'll go to media generator and select solid color to drop as my background image. So you can apply now any image below your main video track to have this effect. You can better still add a video to make it look professional. So I'll play the entire result so that you see how it goes. Here we come at the end of this tutorial, and I really do hope you enjoyed watching this video. You could use this type of transition effect into your music videos and others. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell so that you won't miss any of our online tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.